Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play SnowRunner mod maps. Exploring new terrains and challenges created by the community can truly enhance your game experience. Whether you play on a personal computer or a console, there are fantastic options available. We will cover using the convenient in-game mod browser, which is straightforward for everyone. For those on PC, we will also touch upon manual installation, offering even more customization possibilities. Finding new mod maps is quite simple. First, navigate to the mod browser directly from your game's main menu. Once there, you can use the filter options to specifically search for maps, making your selection process much easier. When you find a map you like, simply click the subscribe button to begin its download. Remember that some larger maps can take up a significant amount of space, so always check your available storage before subscribing to many new mods. Moving to the right hand, this is where the iconic melodies and harmonies truly shine. You'll be playing the main vocal lines, often incorporating the distinctive, layered harmonies that define the song's sound. Pay close attention to the syncopated rhythms, as they are crucial for capturing the original feel. For the higher, more ethereal sections, use a lighter touch to create that floating, dreamlike quality. Sometimes you might encounter issues with mod maps, but don't worry, there are common fixes. First, always ensure your internet connection is stable for smooth downloads. If you see mod's offline errors, try re-authenticating your mod. EO account through the in-game browser. Occasionally, firewalls or virtual private networks can block downloads, so temporarily disabling them might help. If a specific map causes crashes, unsubscribing from it can often resolve the problem, allowing your other mods to function correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.